Source India is one of the exhibitor at Hannover Messe. We can say they will be one of the most experienced exhibitor. They are coming here for many years. So when we spoke to a couple of exhibitors, they had mixed response. Some people were having amazing, new people were having some challenges. But I think to understand about Hannover Messe 2023 and how it went well, the best person to ask is Jitesh Mehta. Hello, sir.
Hello.
How was the Hannover Messe for you and Source India?
Yeah, it's a good experience this time again. We have a quite good contacts. We also had some customers visited. So all in all, it's a good experience.
So this is you are participating after 4 years. After COVID, this is the first time you are participating?
No, we also participated last year. So we are participating continuously since many years. No break.
Yeah.
Except the COVID. But COVID also was not organized during COVID time. But whenever it's organized, we are here.
So comparing to last year, in June, there was also a lot of troubles. People were not getting visa and all those things. How you see the industry is picking up here?
I think compared to last year, there are many exhibitors and also more visitors this time. Overall, there is a slowdown in Germany. That's what I understand. But at the same time, many companies here, they are thinking to move from China to India. So that is a plus point for India and for us.
You also told that we also found out that the inflation in Germany is rising. The energy crisis is a big problem for them. They are not getting gas. So this is also can be a good opportunity for Indian companies to partner with German companies to manufacture components for them.
Yeah, but then again, if German company has orders, they can then there's an opportunity for Indian company. But for Indian companies, they are moving from China to India. That's a big opportunity.
That's a very big opportunity. Okay, so now you will be coming back again in Hannover Messe, or do you have any other plans to exhibit in the coming months in Germany?
No, we'll come back to Hannover Messe next year, very likely. Not sure at the moment, but then time will say. But we prefer to come to Hannover Messe.
Yes. So apart from Europe, you also sell your products other parts of the continent.
Right.
Which are the major markets now you are serving?
USA is also a major market for us, and we sell a lot to US also.
Okay. So there, how you promote? You visit there, or you participate in any exhibitions?
We have already networking over there and customers over there. So we get orders through our networking and customers through networking.
And you are also having a very strong channel partners in Europe, right?
Yeah.
So thank you very much for your time, and we wish Source India and you more great success in the coming days.
Thank you very much.
And also for Arnie.
Yeah.
I think if you count the most number of photographs taken in Hannover Messe, Arnie will be the number one to come.
Indeed.
To become, we have every day more than 100 plus photographs are taken
more
in
than
this.
that, yeah.
Yes, and you can see many of these in the social media.
Yeah.
Congratulations to you, sir. All the very best. Thank you.
Thank you.